Welcome to the Smart Build range by Langdon. Today we'll be walking through the Momentum design, which is on display at Olivine Estate, Donnybrook. This 4-bedroom, 3-living, 2-car garage design is full of surprises. Come on in. Now this is what I love about the Momentum. Just look at this fantastic open plan living space. We've got our family area here where everyone can enjoy their favourite TV shows. Mum or dad can be just over there in the kitchen preparing meals and still being involved in all the fun. You've got your dining area over here where the family can enjoy meals together. The kids can be on their devices or doing their homework. This bright light open space really does offer the perfect environment for those special times the family comes together. Here at Langdon Building, we understand there's times that you'll need your own space, and the Momentum delivers that in spades. We've got a kids retreat at the rear of the home, and we've got a fantastic multifunction room at the front that I can't wait to show you later. But first, let's have a look at this kitchen. I just love the layout and design. It's sleek, it's modern, and ticks all the boxes for the growing family. We've got double sink, soft closing drawers and cupboards as standard. Over fridge cabinetry, dishwasher and 40mm stone are optional upgrades in this home. We offer optional packages throughout our Smart Build range to ensure your home is unique to you. Because at Langdon Building, we understand that not everybody's wants and needs are the same. This 3-metre bench comes with a full-length breakfast bar, big enough for the whole basketball team. Any way you look at it, this kitchen's a slam dunk. So here we are in the bathroom. Our Smart Build homes are packed with standard features like joinery-built cabinetry, semi-frameless shower screens, and 450mm floor tiles to the full-size bath and hob. With all fittings and fixtures included, what more can you ask for? So let's go down to the rear of the home where we've really got some surprises for you. Tucked away near our back bedrooms is the kids retreat we mentioned earlier. The possibilities are endless with this space, whether it's a kids retreat, home office setup or a guest oasis. You're always getting something extra at Langdon. There's 3 generous sized bedrooms, each with built-in robes. In the Momentum, everyone can have their own space. Moving on to an essential part of any home, the laundry. Just check out the size of this linen cupboard. Plenty of room for all of your storage needs, and with an added bonus of a 500mm broom cupboard. The laundry itself has a 45-litre trough and ample room for all of your appliances. Moving on to the master suite. We've showcased a queen-size bed here, but as you can see, there's plenty of room to accommodate a king-size bed comfortably. The room seamlessly flows into a substantial walk-in robe and a fully appointed ensuite. And finally, here we are, moving towards the front of the home and into the 3rd living area that I mentioned earlier. This area is so versatile, the only limit is your imagination. So thanks for joining me on our tour of the Momentum Smart Build by Langdon. Building a Smart Build home is as simple as land, plan, colours and facade, quick smart. Build your first home the simple way, the fun way, the smart way. Build the Smart Build way. So come and have a chat to your Langdon Building consultant to discuss the optional packages to tailor your home to your needs. Thanks for watching.